Hey guys.
Hi.
Working hard.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys are locked in. Good work.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Ah, thank you. Yes, like and subscribe. Sub to Coach Williams. Go Birds. Working hard. Hey, don't rage. She's raging.
She thinks that the math is going to change. Math doesn't change.
Good job, girls. Working hard. It's a little wild in here on day 2.
Hello.
Hey, Andre.
Hello. Like and subscribe.
Good work, guys. Gio, good work.
Yeah, la operación.
All right, good work over here. You guys having fun?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, working hard.
1.7 times 1.7.
Good group right here. Everything good? Good. Oh, nice shirt, man. Go Birds. Super Bowl this year.
Obviously.
Obviously. They got Barkley, right? Hey, Zayden. They got Barkley.
Barkley's gonna carry.
Oh, yeah. Who's going to stop him? Everything good back here?
Yeah.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hey.
All right. Good work, everybody.
Subscribe.
Hey, guys. You're doing good. Working hard in the lab follow-up questions. Hey, good job, guys. Working hard. Look at that. Look at these guys. What a crew. What a crew. Eighth grade science, the best.
Safety first.
Safety first, the best. Hey, guys. Another day in the science lab, 8th grade science. Good group. Good group.
Like and subscribe.
All right, how's it going, guys? Everything good? How's Field of Screams? Good. Scary? Nice shirt. At least it doesn't say Giants on it. Sorry, that's... Hello. How's it going?
We're innocent men.
Yes, you are. Oh, nice shirt. Look at that.
Subscribe to Coach Williams.
Yes. Penn State. Number 3. Number 3, baby. Everything satisfactory? Everything good?
Yeah.
Good. Everything good?
Oh God, Jalen. Okay, we're good. Yeah. Yeah, we're great.
Good, good. Everything good, girls?
Yep.
What was that smell in the hallway? That was wretched.
It was horrible.
Horrible. Let me get that shirt on film for more subs. Look at that. Nice. That is nice. Love it. Whoa, look at that. Oh no. Oh no.
Focus.
Oh no. Everything good? Good. Anything you want to say to the camera?
Subscribe to Coach Williams.
There you go.
Yeah.
No.
Hey, everything good?
Subscribe to Mr. Wayne.
Thank you. Coach Wayne, Mr. Wayne.
Yeah, Coach Wayne.
There it is. Oh no, it's stuck. Is it stuck? Oh my goodness. He'll get it. Good work, guys. You having fun?
Yeah.
Good work. Oh, good work, gentlemen. Oh, nice shirt. Look at that. Got the merch. Very nice. Good work, Keeney. You here? You here? Good work. Good work.
We have live action for the show.
Live action, guys. They're busy. They're working hard. Making science games. Good work. Good work. Good job, guys. Good work.
76ers on top.
Yes, 76ers all the way this year.
All the way.
All the way. You're here first. For sure. Good work, guys. That's good. I know. I like those, man. They're nice. Hey guys, how's it going?
So,
Good work.
wait. If it's live action, then it's on right now.
Hi, YouTube. Wait, are you posting this on
Yeah.
YouTube?
How's it going, guys?
Pretty good, pretty good.
We doing good?
We're measuring right now. This is Kenny Carrot.
Hello.
Kenny Carrot.
See how we're doing back here? Good work, you guys. We having fun?
Yeah.
Good.
It's really fun.
Doing well. Good work, you two. You're locked in.
So it doesn't stick? Yeah.
Everything good in the back here?
Yeah.
All right, good. Good job. Good job.
Emma, I know you're still trying to get over your foot fetish. It's okay to have a foot fetish.
Probably.
Yes, please, Mr. I actually got bored and
Good work, you guys. You having fun?
what happened over here? Silly Putty.
There it is.
Mr. Weird. Put it in her hair.
Oh, there it is. It got all messed up.
This wasn't us. I swear.
Oh, that was in there. Okay.
Yeah.
That's getting old. I'll have to replace that.
That was somebody else.
This is 8th grade science lab. Not 3rd grade. 8th grade. Not 3rd grade. You guys are mature. Mature. Mature.